Getting the delete other apps, the drive has apps from another device error. Here is how you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. Some users, when trying to install new apps, have reported saying delete other apps. This drive has apps from another device error after they have upgraded or reinstalled their OS or reset their PC without deleting or removing folder containing the old apps. Here we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Log into an administrator account. Make Windows show hidden files and folders. Open the folder location where your existing Windows Apps folder is located. By default, it is located in the C:/Program Files folder. But if you have changed its location, then go to that non-system drive. Locate Windows Apps folder. Take full control over the Windows Apps folder. Rename it to, say, Windows App Old. Next, delete the contents of the WP system and WU download cache folders. Restart your PC and see. An observable change after this would be that you will then see the option to change the default save location for apps and programs. Open Windows Settings and then select System. Click on Storage and then select Advanced Storage Settings. Select and set where new content is saved. Check the various drop-downs here, and with the new folder creation, you should have the other drive as an available option for saving new programs. The Windows Apps folder contains all the files and apps you download from the Microsoft Store. As a matter of fact, if you ever choose to move programs to another partition, it will create another Windows Apps folder in that drive. The problem with this folder is that if you move back the apps to the primary drive, Windows will choose to keep the folder and will not allow you to delete them. So the apps that you download from Microsoft Store are stored in the Windows Apps folder. But if you change the install location for Microsoft Store apps, Windows will create the Windows Apps folder in that drive. Along with the Windows Apps folder, other folders are also created automatically in the same drive, namely WU download cache and WP system folders. The WP system and WU download cache folders are created only during the installation of some specific apps from the Microsoft Store. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.